Hey guys, Joelster here. So this time I have a new projector screen by Akia. This is a 110-inch 16:9 manual screen designed for standard through projectors. So the screen comes well protected in a box. Inside you'll find the instructions and hardware. The screen is protected by a white metal casing. Now this is a manual pull down screen, so there is a handle and a cord included. The screen also has an auto locking system that allows you to set variable height settings. And it also has a slow retract mechanism. The end caps allow for a flush wall installation or ceiling suspended with the included D-ring. It is designed for indoor use only, but in my case, I installed it outside for a special event. Now, picture looks great at any angle. I'm using the BenQ GS2, which is a portable 500 lumens projector, and colors look fantastic. The four-sided black masking borders absorbs projector overshot and improves picture contrast, so you don't have to worry about light bleed.